So this time we will have another Generation Math with me, Teacher Jen. So just listen, sit back and relax. And this time we will have addition and subtraction of polynomials. So I hope you guys listen carefully so that you could be able to understand how to add and how to subtract polynomials. Okay, so since we will be talking about addition and subtraction of polynomials, so here are the rules on how to add and subtract polynomials. But before we proceed in adding and subtracting polynomials, let us have the rules in addition of monomials. So, but what are the difference between monomials and polynomials? So, when we say monomial, we only have two terms. But when we say polynomial, it is an algebraic expression that have a lot of terms. Okay, so let's proceed first to the addition of monomials. So, in addition of monomials, only similar terms can be combined. So, how could we able to determine that the term is similar? So, when we have the same variable, meaning to say we have similar terms. Okay, in our example, we have 14x and negative 8x. Okay, so the first rule is add the numerical coefficient using the rule in addition of signed numbers, or what we call integers. So we go back to the rules about integers. So the rule is that if they have the similar sign, or it has a positive or negative, we will subtract. So 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. Okay, and then the next rule is bring down the literal coefficient. In our example, our literal coefficient is x. Okay, so therefore, our answer is 6x. What if we have the similar terms, or our term is not similar? Monomials cannot be combined. Okay, so meaning to say, even if there's a lot of term, but they have the similar term, meaning to say their variable is not the same, we cannot add those monomial. Okay, so I hope you understand what are the rules in addition of monomials. So this time we can now proceed with the addition of polynomials. So what are the rules in adding the polynomials? So in adding the polynomials, combine similar terms and proceed as in addition of monomials. So let us first combine those terms with similar terms, and then carry on with the rules of addition of monomials. So in our example, we have 2x plus 3y minus 6xy plus negative 5x plus 2y plus 3xy. So in our example, 2x and negative 5x have the same variable. So therefore, they are similar terms. And another one is 3y and then 2y. They have both y as their variable. So therefore, another similar terms. And then the last one is negative 6xy plus 3xy. So therefore, they have the same variable. So therefore, they are similar terms. And now, proceed with the addition of monomials. So what are the rules of adding monomials? So the first one is use the rule in adding signed numbers, and then just bring down the coefficient. So since 2 plus negative 5, they have different signs, so therefore we will subtract, and then 2 minus 5 is 3, and then which is the higher value? Negative 5. So therefore, we'll get the sign of negative 5, which is negative. So the answer of 2x plus negative 5x is 3x, negative 3x. And then the next one is 3y plus 2y. They are both positive. So therefore, we just simply add 3 plus 2. It is equals to 5. And then just copy the variable, which is y. And then last one is negative 6xy plus 3xy. So again, they are different signs. So negative 6x plus or minus 3 is equals to 3. And then just copy the side of the higher value, which is the 6. So negative 3. And then copy the variable, which is xy. So therefore, our answer is negative 3x plus 5y minus 3xy. So I hope you guys understand how we could able to add monomials, and then after that, how to add polynomials. Okay, so let's proceed to subtracting monomials and polynomials. Okay, so this time, let's proceed to subtraction of polynomials. So, how do we subtract polynomials? Before we do that, let us have first the rule in subtraction of monomials. So, in our example, we have 14x minus negative x. So, the rule is for similar terms, the numerical coefficient are subtracted as in signed numbers and bring down the literal coefficient. So therefore, in our example, the minus sign, it becomes plus sign, and then negative 8x, it becomes positive 8x. So therefore, we can now solve for the problem. So 14, since we already have an addition, so 14 plus 8, it becomes 22, and then just bring down the literal coefficient, which is 8x. So therefore, our answer is 22x. So I hope you understand how we subtracted monomials. So this time, we can now proceed to the subtraction of polynomials. To subtract polynomials, just follow the steps in subtracting monomials. So in our example, we have 4a cubed minus 2a squared plus 5a plus 7 minus 3a cubed minus 8a squared minus 9a minus 14. So, if we go back to the rule of monomials, so we will change the minus sign into plus sign, and then positive 3a cubed, we will make it negative 3a cubed, and then negative 8a squared, it will become positive 8a squared, and then negative 9a becomes 9a, and then negative 14, it becomes positive 14. So now we can go now with the solution. So 4a cubed plus 3a, since that is different sign, the one is positive and the one is negative, so subtract. So 4 plus negative 3, so the answer is 1. So no need to put 1 there. So no need to put that. So the result will be a cubed. So just simply copy the literal coefficient. And then negative 2a plus 8a, again, they have the similar sign. So therefore, we will subtract 8 and 2. So the answer is 6. And then copy the literal coefficient, which is a squared. And then 5a plus 9a. So they have the same sign. So we will add. So that is 14a because we bring down a. And then plus 7 and then 14. 7 plus 14 is 21. So therefore, our answer is 8a cubed plus 6a squared plus 14a plus 21. So I hope you guys understand what are the rules in subtraction of monomials and at the same time subtraction of polynomials, because next slide will be the activities so that you could able to fully understand how to add and how to subtract polynomials. Okay, so the next activity is what we call A or B. If you will choose what is the best answer, is it A or is it B? If the answer is correct, it will ring, but if not, it means that it is wrong. Okay, so let's have the first example. Negative 3x plus 5y minus 7z plus negative 6x minus 8y plus 10z, the answer is it A or is it B? Okay, do not cheat. Okay, so the answer is A. So negative 9x minus 3y plus 3z. Okay, very good. Okay, so I hope you got the first question. So the next one is add 8x plus 4y and 5x minus 3y. So this is just an easy question. Okay, so your answer is 13x plus y. Very good. So let's proceed to the next question. Okay, so the next question is about problem solving. So evaluate the problem. So our problem is Jenny bought 20 assorted pens for a total of 375. Brand X sold for 15 per piece and brand Y sold for 20 per piece. If the given value for X is 5 and Y is 15, the first question is what is the total amount of brand X and what about brand Y? And then the second question is, if Jenny decided to add another 2 pieces of brand X, how much she would pay? Okay, so I hope you will answer this question on your own. Okay, so kindly check your answer. Our answer for the last activity is that for the first one, it is 75 pesos and the other one is 300 pesos. So the total is 375. And then the next one, if we add another 2 pieces of orange, which is amounting 15 pesos, so 15 times 2 is 30. So let's add to 375. So therefore, the total amount to be paid by Jenny is 405. So I hope you guys got the correct answer. Once again, grade 7, thank you for listening. This is Ma'am Jen, your Generation Math teacher in grade 7 mathematics. I hope you guys learn a lot from this video. So see you next time. Bye! Thank you for watching my videos. So just kindly click the notification bell, subscribe, and like my videos. Bye!